Daily English conversation topics. How many kinds of pollution are there? Do you feel the air is getting more polluted day by day? Ugh, exactly. I'm afraid it is more serious. It's very serious now. We can see pollution clearly whenever we go out. I've heard some information about some kind of pollution in the news. How many kinds of pollution are there? There is a lot of pollution, but I think air pollution is the most popular. I also know about soil pollution, water pollution. That's right. Anyway, all kinds of pollution affect us and other species. Yes, they impact our health the most. Air pollution can cause many respiratory diseases. This is the reason why I always wear face masks when I go out. Me too. What is the most impressive building you've visited? Do you know some famous buildings in the world? Yes, I know some. But for what? I am searching for my assignment about buildings, but I don't know much about it. I have visited some. What is the most impressive building you've visited? For me, the best one is Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. Is it a hotel? It's a business complex. Wow. It makes me extremely surprised about its architecture. How? I saw it when I had a trip to Singapore with my family. I was overwhelmed because it is very big and modern. It's great. It consists of 3 towers. Really? You can search for its pictures on the internet. Okay, I will search for it now. What kinds of electronic media is popular in your country? Are you reading online news? Yeah. Why don't you use television to watch the news? I prefer reading online. It's more convenient. I got it. In my country, I see television as a popular kind of electronic media. Television is popular all over the world. Yes. What kind of electronic media is popular in your country? I think we are the same. We use television also. Do you have another type? Yes, sometimes. I see some people use the radio. So do we. But radio is used more in the past in my country. I agree. Or anything that can connect to the internet also helps you update the news. For example, smartphones, laptops, iPad. You are using your smartphone to read the news. That's right. What is your desired job? What career will you choose after graduating? I'm not sure. What is your desired job? I used to want to become a fashion designer. Why did you choose this university, while your dream is to be a fashion designer? My parents want me to have a stable job as an accountant, so I chose economics. I got your point. So, my dream job cannot come true. I think you can't waste 4 years studying at university. Right. I am looking for an intern job as an accountant in a company, and I have an interview tomorrow. Good luck to you. Thanks. I will try my best. What is your favorite TV program? What are you doing? I am waiting for my favorite program. What is your favorite TV program? The Amazing Race. Oh, I know it. It's fun. Exactly. And many countries also have this program. I know, but I still watch the American version. What time does it start? 15 minutes later. Can I watch with you? Of course. Come here. I have watched some episodes, but these days I haven't had time to continue. I always spend time watching it. It helps you relax, right? Right. A lot of fun. I have always loved reality programs. Me too. What law do you like? I have seen a traffic accident between a car and a motorbike. Oh, what happened? I don't know, but I think because the car didn't follow the traffic light. Did he run a red light? Yes. Oh dear, people should follow the law. What law do you like? Traffic law. It helps people to be safe when driving. But some people still ignore these laws. Right, and they cause accidents. I hope everyone obeys the laws and has a responsibility when driving. If everyone does that, we will be safe. What outdoor activity do you participate in? What will you do this weekend? I'm not sure. Maybe I will watch a movie at home. Really? Why don't you go out and enjoy some outdoor activities? I'm so tired. Do you like outdoor activities? Of course. What outdoor activity do you participate in? I do a lot, but my favorite one is playing badminton. Great! Where do you usually play? There is a badminton court in the park. I usually play there. Who usually plays with you? My brother. He is very good at playing badminton. That sounds fun. Right? After playing it, you will feel relaxed. I think I will participate in some activities to release stress. You should do that. You can go jogging. Really? Yes. I see Anna goes jogging very often when I play badminton at the park.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.